In this video, we will learn how to remove unnecessary space in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some number. Here you see in between the number have some space. So normally if you want to remove the space, you just double click on this number and use the backspace to remove the space. Okay. And here I'm showing you the shortcut way how to remove the space. So just select the full data here and use the Control F key. Then you see the Find and Replace dialog box is open. Click on the Replace tab and here you give the same space, okay? And in replace with without space. So don't give here the some space, okay? And click on the replace all. That's it. All done. You made the 18 replacement. Click on OK and close it. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.